Let's take you to the fascinating world of printed rubber flip-flop manufacturing. In this video, we'll show you step by step how these stylish and durable flip-flops are made. This journey begins with the selection of high-quality rubber material. This rubber is used to ensure strength, flexibility, and comfort. First, the rubber is calculated based on its weight. Great care is taken to ensure the measurements are perfect, as an error could spoil the entire batch. Next, the molding machine is preheated and air pressure is used to clean the mold. Now, the measured rubber is placed into the molding machine. Pressed for a specific amount of time. As soon as the machine opens, you'll see the rubber flip-flop pop up. However, the flip-flop is not ready yet. There's still some finishing work to be done. Here, the pairs of rubber flip-flops are placed together. One factory worker polishes the rubber flip-flops by hand and then sends them off to the next step. Another worker sharpens the edges of the flip-flops by hand. Now, a printing press machine gives the rubber flip-flops an attractive look by printing designs on them. Isn't it satisfying to watch all of this? You should definitely subscribe for more, boss. This is how the rubber flip-flops are made ready for you and us to use, and are supplied to the market. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more such videos, follow our page. Thank you.